Welcome back, everyone. Today's project is assembling the new rototiller. We had a free rototiller given to us. We found it on the side of the road and it ran, but I started doing some maintenance on it and found that there's so many bearings and other parts that were so worn out and needing replacing that it wasn't worth it to fix that unit up. So we went and invested in an Earthquake Versa 99cc front tine tiller, and we put it together today, and we're glad that you could join us. We hope that you enjoy this video, and I'm going to show you how we put this together. Alright, well, we've got the box up on the table. We're going to open it up, take the parts out, and start the assembly. Alright, well, we've got the unit unboxed. We've got two shroud pieces, some handle pieces, clutch cable with a bit of a trim piece. The actual unit itself, it's a 99cc motor. I understand it's proprietary to Earthquake. And some nuts and bolts for the handle, 2 extra tines, a pint of oil, and the instruction manual. So let's open up the manual, get this thing together. So there's 3 different positions that you can put the tines in. You can run it with just the 2, or you can have the tines running at a wide position, but you have to make sure that the arrows are running the same direction. And then you just line up the pinhole, put the pin back in. But if you want to have it as a medium size, then this one, because the arrow was running that way, has to be on the other side. Alright, well, the unit is assembled. Pretty simple overall. The instructions in the book are pretty straightforward. Essentially, the only thing you have to assemble is the handle and the clutch cable, which is pretty simple if you follow the instructions. So I've got a bit of oil in there. Let's fill it with gas and see if we can't get this thing running. is from the woods is filling the raised garden beds that we made in a previous video. It's a premium garden mix, and then we'll top dress it with compost and then mix that in. We have 5 raised gardens here, or raised planters, and last year we were still building the deer fence and didn't get a whole lot of time before planting season to really work on the garden beds themselves. We rototilled it with a very small rototiller, but it didn't really do the job it had to. And this year with the new purchase, hopefully we're down to about 11 inches. And it seems to work okay. We got a lot of clay in the soil here, so we've got a couple years of amending to get rid of that and make it fertile. Some places are better than others. And we have it tiered here. It's on a hill, south facing. And we're looking forward to a successful gardening year in 2020. All right, well that concludes the build of the new rototiller. Yeah, pretty simple right out of the box. All you have to do is attach the handle and the clutch cable, fill it with oil and gas, and away you go. That's that simple. I think the hardest part of the whole build was pushing it up the hill to get it to the garden. But yeah, good project for the afternoon. We're glad that you could join us, and we hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, we would love it if you would subscribe, like, and share, and join us again for another video coming soon. Thanks for watching.